All right, the last part of shape when we're looking at a numerical distribution is we want to look for extreme values. Extreme, either large or small values, are called outliers. This is going to be a term that does show up in later chapters as well. Outliers are data values that do not fit the pattern of the rest of the data. They are not precisely defined and are somewhat subject to opinion. When we see these outliers or these extremely large or small values, we should figure out what those values are, realize that they could be sources of error, typos or something along those lines, or genuine outliers are usually interesting data values. So in this case, we don't know what we're talking about as far as what we're measuring the weight, but we notice that most of the weights here are probably between about 100 and almost 400 pounds. And then we have one little spot over here, right? So that could be the result of a typo. Maybe it should be 120 instead of 1,200. Maybe it presents some sort of unique scenario that we are looking at for a data set. So if we do run into outliers when we're looking at the shape of our data, pay careful consideration to them and try to kind of figure out, can we explain why these values are the way that they are?